Hello viewers, in today's session we are going to discuss an important conceptual problem from definite integrals, and in this class we are going to solve this problem where we are given an integral that is 0 to 1 f of 1 minus x dx. The value of this integral is pi square, and we have to find out the value of this integral that is 0 to half f of 2t dt, right? So this problem is going to be a very important conceptual problem because here we are going to use an important property of definite integrals, right? So let us start. So here we are going to use this property of definite integral, which says that the integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a, and we have f of a minus x dx, right? So this property is going to be used to find out the value of this integral, right? And this property is a particular case of this general property, that is a to b. F of x dx is equal to that is a to b, and we have f of a plus b minus x dx, right? So the value of this integral remains the same as this integral if we replace this x by a minus x, right? And similarly the value of this integral a to b f of x dx remains the same if we replace x by a plus b minus x, right? So let us use this property to solve this problem. Now see here we have the integral 0 to 1 f of 1 minus x dx. So let us compare this integral with this one, that is 0 to a f of x dx, right? And this integral is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now let us take a is equal to 1, right? So when we take a is equal to 1, we have 0 to 1 f of x dx, and here we have 0 to 1 and f of 1 minus x dx, right? So now this integral is equal to pi square, right? So the value of this integral is given to be pi square. So here we have pi square. So now we have obtained the value of this integral, that is 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to pi square, right? Now to get the value of this integral, let us make this substitution, that is x is equal to 2t, right? So when we take x is equal to 2t, here we'll get f of 2t, right? So now when x is equal to 2t, then dx over dt is equal to 2 times 1. The derivative of t with respect to t is 1, so this is 2, so dx is equal to 2 times dt, right? And here the limits of integration vary from 0 to 1. So when x is equal to 0, then the value of t is also equal to 0, because from here t is equal to x over 2. So when we take x is equal to 0, then we have t is equal to 0 over 2, that is 0. And when x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 1 over 2, that is half, right? So now let us make the substitution in this equation. So we have now the integral from 0 to 1. So when x goes from 0 to 1, t varies from 0 to half. So we have 0 to half, and then we have f of x. Here x is 2t, and dx is replaced by 2 dt, and then here we have pi square, right? Taking 2 outside the integral, we have 2 times 0 to half f of 2t dt equal to pi square. So we have 0 to half f of 2t dt is equal to pi square over 2, right? So the value of this integral is equal to pi square over 2.